Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Tradingview for day trading. Tradingview is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of tools and features to help you analyze and trade financial markets. To get started, you need to create an account on the Tradingview website and download the platform. First, you need to understand the basic layout of the platform. The platform is divided into several sections, including the chart area, the toolbar, and the sidebar. The chart area is where you will view and analyze the markets. The toolbar is where you will find all the tools and indicators. And the sidebar is where you will find all the settings and options. To start day trading, you need to choose a market to trade. You can browse through the different markets and instruments available on the platform, including stocks, forex, futures, and cryptocurrencies. Once you have chosen a market, you can view the chart and start analyzing it. Tradingview offers a wide range of technical indicators and tools that you can use to analyze the markets. Some of the most popular indicators include moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. You can add these indicators to your chart by clicking on the Indicators button on the toolbar and selecting the indicator you want to use. In addition to technical indicators, Tradingview also offers a range of drawing tools that you can use to draw trend lines, support and resistance levels, and other chart patterns. You can access these tools by clicking on the drawing button on the toolbar. Once you have analyzed the market and identified a trading opportunity, you can place a trade. Tradingview allows you to connect your brokerage account to the platform, so you can place trades directly from the platform. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels, as well as other risk management tools. One of the key features of Tradingview is the ability to create and save custom templates. This allows you to set up your chart with your favorite indicators and tools, and save it for future use. You can also share your templates with other traders, and view templates created by other traders. Another important feature of Tradingview is the community aspect. The platform has a large and active community of traders who share their ideas and insights through chat rooms and forums. You can also follow other traders and view their charts and analysis. To become a successful day trader on Tradingview, you need to have a solid understanding of technical analysis and risk management. You should also have a clear trading plan and strategy, and stick to it. It is also important to stay disciplined and patient, and not to get emotional about your trades. In conclusion, Tradingview is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of tools and features to help you analyze and trade financial markets. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can get started with day trading on Tradingview and start achieving your trading goals. Remember to always stay disciplined and patient, and to keep learning and improving your trading skills.